So now I've lowered the cage down, the front section of the cage down, and so it's actually just dropped off the little boxes that I folded up. And now I'll do all this over the top welding, and then I'll push the cage back up into position, and so that's the over top there, and then we'll continue on building from there. So there's the cage loosely in, and what I'll do now is I'll set up the bases on the front. That can actually be pretty well tack welded in. Now I'll do the welding on these sections here, here and here, and then we'll drop the main hoop down and weld over the main hoop. If that's making sense to everybody. I think so. Now I'm going to cut these spots on both sides. There is the main hoop down now, so I can go and continue my welds now around here. As you saw, the over the top welds up there are all done, and I just pull it together with a turnbuckle and chain, drop it through the floor, get those welds done. We'll go around to the other side and have a look. So there's the other side, and we will, somewhere here I can see it, we will continue on and get that all welded in, and I can push it back up again, and there we are, the roll cages drop down through the floor, as you can see. So there's all my over the top welds done, and I've given it a hit of primer as well. I'll go around to the other side for a quick look. So now I can lift the forward section back up, welded up the holes where I dropped the cage through. Bits I showed you I made before, I've just given them, they've all got the copper prime on them. Other one's over there. That is the bottom boxes on the hoop, welded in now. So now I can go on to the front, fitting off the front mounts. now all the boxes are in, the base plates boxes all finished off. Then I'll weld all my base tubes in and start building the backstays. There's the first two rear stay bars in, well down into here, and then back up to the main hoop. So there we are. That is the backstay bars installed now, and I'll head on now to go and do the front cross, the roll cage hoop cross.